Welcome back, pump enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of peristaltic pumps, showcasing the top 5 picks for 2023. Whether you're in need of precise fluid transfer, reliable performance, or advanced features, these peristaltic pumps have got you covered. From industrial applications to scientific research, we've handpicked the best pumps that offer exceptional quality and efficiency. Stay tuned as we explore the unique features and benefits of each pump, helping you make an informed decision for your pumping needs. All the important links can be found in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things pumps. Starting at number 5, the Chonroe Digital Peristaltic Pump is a high-quality and precise dosing pump designed for laboratory use. Its robust construction and stainless steel pump head ensure durability and long service life. This pump is widely used in chemical, photovoltaic, and other industries, making it a versatile option for various applications. Featuring a maximum flow rate of 380 ml/min and a maximum speed of 100 revolutions per minute, this peristaltic pump delivers efficient and accurate dosing performance. The stepper motor provides precise control over the speed and flow, ensuring consistent and reliable results. The Chonroe Digital Peristaltic Pump is equipped with a PESU pump head and a stainless steel pump housing, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of liquids. Its digital speed display allows for easy monitoring of the flow or speed through the 4-digit LED screen. The RS-485/MODBUS communication protocol support enables seamless integration with other equipment. Whether you're working in a laboratory, conducting research, or utilizing filling and dispensing machines, the Chonroe Digital Peristaltic Pump offers the precision and reliability you need. Its durable construction, high flow rate, and stepper motor ensure accurate and consistent dosing, making it a valuable tool for laboratory professionals. At number 4, the Kamor X4 PRO Wi-Fi Doser is a remote-controlled dosing pump designed for plant and marine life breeding. With its sitting design and chargeable power source, this pump offers convenience and flexibility. It operates on a voltage range of 110 to 240 V, making it compatible with various electrical systems. Equipped with a 4 KSSVB06 threaded pump head, this dosing pump delivers a flow rate of more than 45 ml/min. The manual dose amount can be adjusted from 0.1 ml to 9,999 ml, allowing for precise control over dosing requirements. The programmable feature enables you to set up to 24 dosing times per day, providing flexibility in your dosing schedule. The Kamor X4 PRO Wi-Fi Doser stands out with its remote control functionality. By connecting the pump to your home Wi-Fi network, you can conveniently control and adjust the dosing parameters using your smartphone or tablet. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments and enhances ease of use. Designed for plant and marine life breeding, this dosing pump creates an ideal environment for your aquatic organisms. The reliable and accurate dosing capabilities, along with the multiple dosing modes, ensure optimal conditions for growth and health. The low voltage and humidity-resistant design add to its durability and performance. The Kamor X4 PRO Wi-Fi Doser is an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals involved in plant and marine life breeding. Its remote control functionality, high flow rate, and programmable features make it a reliable and efficient dosing solution. At number 3, the Chemward KCM-ODM High-Precision Peristaltic Pump is a versatile and precise dosing pump suitable for various applications, including laboratory work and liquid transfer. With its rotary pump mechanism and stepper motor, it delivers accurate and consistent flow rates. Designed with a 12V 24V voltage requirement, this peristaltic pump offers flexibility and compatibility with different power sources. The choice between 3-roller and 6-roller configurations allows for customization based on your specific needs. The Kamor KCM-ODM pump is known for its high precision and accuracy, making it an excellent choice for experiment filling, packaging, laboratory research, and food-related tasks. The stepper motor provides precise control over the rotating speed, ranging from 0.1 to 350 RPM. With its durable construction and choice of tube materials, such as silicone or Farmid BPT, this pump ensures reliable and long-lasting performance. Its small pulse stepper motor and higher accuracy make it suitable for transporting both viscous and non-viscous liquids. The Chemward KCM-ODM high-precision peristaltic pump is an exceptional choice for professionals in the laboratory and research fields. Its high precision, versatility, and durability make it an indispensable tool for precise liquid handling tasks. At number 2, the Jibble Peristaltic Pump is a versatile and convenient dosing pump designed specifically for aquariums and marine reef systems. With its copper construction and hang-up design, it offers durability and easy installation. This pump features a 12V voltage requirement, making it safe and efficient for use in aquatic environments. One standout feature of this dosing pump is its Wi-Fi remote control capability. By connecting the pump to your home Wi-Fi system, you can easily control and adjust the dosing settings from your smartphone or tablet. This eliminates the need for an additional controller, providing convenience and flexibility. The Jibble Peristaltic Pump excels at regularly dosing liquid substances into aquariums, ensuring a stable and healthy marine environment. The high precision of 1 ml allows for accurate dosing, while the remaining liquid display keeps you informed about the levels. The silent operation and low voltage make it an excellent choice for maintaining a peaceful aquarium environment. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Jibble Peristaltic Pump offers a user-friendly and efficient solution for maintaining the ideal conditions in your aquarium or marine reef system. Its unique performance, ease of use, and reliability make it a valuable accessory for any aquatic enthusiast. At number 1, the CR High Precision Peristaltic Metering Pump is a reliable and efficient solution for precise metering applications. Designed with a touchscreen control panel, this pump offers easy operation and control. The peristaltic pump mechanism ensures accurate and consistent flow rates, making it suitable for water metering tasks. With its low-pressure capability, this pump is ideal for applications where high pressures are not required. The electric power source provides convenience and eliminates the need for manual operation. The stepper motor ensures precise control over the speed, ranging from 0.1 to 600 revolutions per minute. Featuring a durable structure and high-quality components, this peristaltic pump offers excellent performance and longevity. The IP31 rating protects it from dust and moisture, making it suitable for various environments. The external control interface allows for easy integration into automated systems. The CR High Precision Peristaltic Metering Pump is an excellent choice for industries and applications that require accurate and reliable metering of water. Its touchscreen control, high precision, and durable construction make it a valuable tool for professionals in the field. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.